Hi traders, just wanted to record an opportunity that's come up tonight after President Trump has announced his tax reform plans. You can see how the market's responded, and the market is not seeing this as a bullish dollar move, at least not in the very short term. And the way the price has reacted, you can see that there's a bearish outside bar on the 4 hour chart, and it's engulfing one, two, three, four previous candles. That's a key daily resistance level at 111.50. And on my indicator, I have a green crossing red, which shows that momentum has definitively changed from the upside to the downside, and being at a support and resistance level, price action bearish outside bar. It's closed the other side of the 5 EMA, and it's just saying that this is selling pressures into the market, and it's because of President Trump's tax reform. The market doesn't really like it. And I think it's easy to see why, as I've reflected upon this. And I think the most, aside from the fact that the market's priced in the reforms, you can see as you look at President Trump how he's handled his presidency so far. He's often said quite bold or big statements. I'm just thinking, he's wanted to repeal Obamacare, and then when it actually came to repealing it, he said, "Oh, whoever thought healthcare could be so complicated? It was harder than he thought." Similarly, with the wall, even actually physically building the walls is maybe harder than necessarily seemed when you actually look at the detail of it. So I think that's the key word. I think it's detail. Um, I've seen his tax reform plan. It's one page of really good things, but how's that going to pan out? How can it be done? There's a lot of detail still to be done. I think that's what the market's saying. They kind of knew that something was big was coming, and President Trump, he sold his plan, well early. He's got a great plan. It's going to be really brilliant, and now it's there, and it's one page, and everyone knows tax is really complicated. Here in the UK, I try to fill in my self-assessment tax form, and more often than not, I don't understand the questions, let alone the actual answers. And if you're listening from the HMRC, apologies for that one. But on a serious note, this is where the market's reacting. I'm entering here at 111.07, just got in on the close of that bar just before actually. And my stop here is 111.71. No need for it to be right above the lows. If price goes back up this level, I'm out, and a lot of stops will be hit. And I'm not interested in staying in the trade. But if the trade moves in my favor, I'm looking at getting out here 110.41 for the first position, move it to break even, and then see how far we get down the ladder down here. Bottom final destination is 108.46, but we'll see. That's a long way away, and I want to see how price is going. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm looking at. Follow the trade, see how it pans out. Cheers for listening. Bye.